Hello everyone. I thought I would do another shop slash apartment update. Haven't done one in a minute. I'm gonna start. Nothing's changed in the shop, so I'm gonna start right here at the door leading in from the shop to the house part and show you what we've done. We're getting very close. Lord, there's a squeaky door. Close to wrapping this up. This is the laundry room. There's no baseboard yet. We've got lighting, and I've got to get some registers for the vents on the attic. You can see where the dryer is going to plug in, and the washing machine. There'll be like a little tub over there. And let's see, here's the little nook. I don't know what this is going to be. Like a little closet or something. Maybe a pantry. Oh yeah, flooring. I've got the flooring is in. Try not to swing this phone around too fast. Got this, all the lighting, the 90% of the lighting's in. I got the fan in, all the can lighting's in. This is the living room. And the kitchen, we got the can lighting in the kitchen, and most of the cabinets are in. Some upper cabinets, lower cabinets. Got a couple of appliances in here. What we're waiting on is this right here is kind of some weirdness. We're gonna have to build a cabinet ourselves for the sink to go there, but that's not a big deal. We'll get that built. Most of the window frames, and so since we're inside of a metal building, all the window frames are like huge. I mean, look at this. This is like massive, and they're all like that because the walls are that thick. You can see those over there. It's some pretty big window sills. We've got a hole in the wall over here. I'll have to explain this. There's a walk-in tub in the bathroom on the other side, and I had to have access to the plumbing to put the plumbing in while the tub was sitting there. So we had to put a wall here to get to. But I probably need this anyway in case we have water leaks or anything like that. It'll be really good to have like a door right here, so I can get in here and repair stuff because there's a ton of pipes right there. And let's see, go over down the hall. I got the register in for the air conditioning and heating. That was my first rodeo, so that was kind of different to do that. Here's the half bath. I've got the sink installed, and I need to put the toilet in. And the lighting, I got temporary lighting. And a lot of this, I do have this is pretty kill the camera. I do have lights in the fans. The little fan works. And then this is the bedroom. Once again with the massive windowsills. I got all the lighting in. Can lights. I put 4 can lights in here. Fan. This is the bedroom closet. Pretty good sized closet. It was big enough the AC guys thought it needed its own vent, which that's fine. And I'll come through here, and I got almost all the wall plates are on, and the outlet plates are on. Here's the bathroom. Took a ton of work. Here's the walk-in tub. Installing this thing was it was pretty much a nightmare. I mean, there was a ton of electrical, a ton of plumbing, and it was all in such a cramped space. And the tub has a power drain, so after you fill it up, you hit this, and I left the lights on. That's wonderful. After you hit this button, it forces the water down the drain. which kind of overpressurized a few pipes that kind of caused a leak. So anyway, there was much plumbing involved in this thing. And here's the shower. It was kind of a piece of cake to install. It was not a big thing at all. Just had to get the plumbing and the floor done properly. Make sure you line the pipe up and everything. And then we've got the cabinet for the sink. The sink's out there sitting in the shop. I need to bring that in and get all the piping done for that. Still has some temporary lighting up here. Of course, there'll be a mirror right there. It's sitting out in the shop too. Got the little fan light combo up there. It's installed. It's coming together. I mean, there's not much. I mean, we already have, check that out over there. We already have internet in here. Yes. So it's, and actually we have TV also. The Dish Network is already installed. So it's coming together quickly. I'm not, probably within weeks, I would say. I don't know. Guess that's about it. Yeah, there's a few bad spots like that up there that the tape ripped the paint, but we're going to come back and with some touch-up paint and touch up a bunch of stuff. But it's looking pretty good. It really is. We've got the frame around the door. And we have a ton of trim. Like all the trim around the windows that'll go, like out 3 inches here and over in this window, like here, around the window. We've got to get all that. And the price of wood right now is completely ridiculous. It's just unbelievable. I'm glad it wasn't like that when we purchased all the lumber to build this place, because I don't know, it would have been bad. But anyway, that's the update. Heck, the next one maybe when it's finished. It's so close.